All right, this is the classic Black Betty by Ram Jam. So starting out, you have a kick drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right after that 4, you come in with the A to B power chords and slide that B down. So it's like 3, 4. And that second one, we go have a chick there to the D chord over here. So we got. We wait a bit on that one and we go. So that was A to B. Hit the B again. We have 2 chicks. We have kind of a chick in between. We got the 7 on the D, G, and B to the 9s in the back. So we got. Okay, so that riff goes 4 times. Now there's a riff on the second time of that comes in that goes. Okay, so that's the first part of it. We got 7 to 9 on the A, 7 on the D, back to that 9, 2 7s, 9 7, 9 7 5 on the A, down to that 7 down there in the E. So next part of this goes. So 7 9 and 9 9 9 on the D. So we go into the 11 on the 3rd string with the middle finger. And then we go 10, 11, 10, that 10 on the 2nd string. So this whole thing is. And then we go. Okay, then we're going to have an 11 to 13 on the 3rd string. To the 12 on the 2nd. And then we're going to go down to the small string. We got 14, 13, 12 to 10 to 11 here. 12, 10 on the 2nd, so it's 11 on the G, down to the 9, 7, 9, 7. We're going to bend that 9. So we got. Okay, then we're going to have, right after the 1 of the new measure, we go 1. So we have 2 quick up and downs on the 9th fret of the G string. And then we have 2 kind of slower ones, so it's 1. We're going to have a, go to the 7 down here in the G. 9, 7 to 9. Okay, that 9 there is the new measure, so it'd be like 1. We're going to go 9, 7. So we got 9, 7, 9 to 9 to 9 there. 7, pull off, 9 on the A, pull off over here. So we got. Next measure we got. So pull off, 7 on the D, 9, 7, 5, 7, 5 again, and then big 7, 5, 7, 9, 7, 7, 9, 7 to 9. That's the end of that. So we got last 2 measures of this is. Okay, so that's from the. Okay, and then we get into a. We have a B chord, and then we're gonna have this chord. It's like a raised 9 chord on the B. We got 7 9 9. Mute the G string and have 10 10 on the bottom here. Okay, we get into the verse thing here, and he starts singing a bit, and then we get into a thing where we're gonna hit on the and of the 2. So it's like 1 2, kind of shocking at you, right? So it's like Black Betty, Shamalam, whoa, Black Betty, Shamalam, dun 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 dun, Shamalam, dun 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 dun, Shamalam, a 1 2 and, a 1 2 and. Okay, and it does 6 of those, and then we're back into the intro. You got all that same type of stuff, okay? Then moving on, next verse, we got 1 2 shambling and 1 2, Chamberlain, and 1, 2, Chamberlain. You got 6 more of those, and we got this little riff that's gonna go. Okay, so it's kind of right after the beat. It's like up, 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 up on those 7s on the D and G. And then 9s, 7s, and then a little single note riff. 7, 9, 7, 9, A to D strings. A little bend on that 5 on the A to the big 7 there. So we got. And then just ends with a 7 on the G to the 9 here. Okay, then we're. And then we'll do this one twice. Okay, then we got a new riff. It's going to be in harmony. It goes. So let's look at that part first. We got 7, 8, 9, 7, 9, 7, back to the big 9. Do the same thing on the next string. 3 strings in a row. Now this next one's a little weird. It's going to go. So 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, and then we're going to go 11. So it's like a 11 to 10, 10, 1 E and, 2 and, 3 and, because that's a measure of 3 right there, kind of in the 4s. So we got. Okay, so we had. Okay, so it was 11, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on the B. And then we go. Okay, so we have a little harmony thing here. We got 15s on the second. Dum da da dum da da 17. 14 to 15. Okay, so one more time we got. Okay, we got a little thing like that. We'll have a harmony with that in a minute. Okay, so the higher part of this riff starts on the A string instead of the E string. Same frets and everything though. Okay, now here we're gonna go 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, and then we go. We're gonna go 11 to 9 and 10, 1 E and, 2 and, 3 and. Okay, so this is gonna go 11, 11, 12, 13. So we got. And then we're into 14s. This is the harmony of that other thing. Okay, so we had 14s, 15 pull off there, then a hammer on 12 to 14. And we got that, we got 15, 15, 15, 15. Okay, we get into the solo there. We're gonna look at the solo rhythm right now. It's gonna have, that's your basic rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up. We're gonna do G twice. D, B, 4 times. D 4 times. G twice. D twice. B 4 times. D 4 times. Back to B. D. Back. Back. Now 3 times. We got this riff. It's triplets. It's like. We get into a new riff. So we got 8, 6 on the G, 7, 6, 4 on the D, and then 4 to 6. And that's going to start the harmony part of this new thing. It's like a breakdown, they call it. So. Okay, so this is the harmony, so it sounds a little weird right now. We'll get the lower one too. So we got 6 to 8, that's on the A to G strings. 6 to 7 on the D, to 6 on the G. And you do that one twice, so. Starts the same, go to the 6 here on the D. 9 to 7, pull off on the second. And then we do the first one again. And then we have a riff. So So big 9, 7, 9 on the A, 7, 9 on the D to 11, 9 to 7 down here. Okay, now the lower part of this was 7 and 9. Okay, so we start in 7 to its octave on the D string. 7, 9 to 7 twice. Now here we're going to go 9 to 7, pull off on the G. First one again. There we go on the 5. So straight up that A major pentatonic. We're going to pull that one off there at the end. So we also have a higher part that goes halfway through. It goes. Okay, so you'd kind of do that one maybe instead of this one. Go up here to the 9. 9, 11. Go to the 9 and then 12 to 10 on the second string. And then we'll pop back to the 6. This one ends a little different. 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 11 to 12. So we had. Okay, but the harmony would be. Okay, then we had. Okay, and we have another one later. 7 to 8. That's when you get into like a. We got a little riff at the end of the solo I want to show you. This is a good example of these. Practicing the sets of 4s and stuff. With pull-offs. So this riff at the end of the solo goes. That takes us into the breakdown. So that was the other triplet. 9, 7, 9, 7, 5, 5 into the. All that kind of stuff. Okay, so this was. And then the next measure. Okay, check out the tab on this. Be sure to download the free tabs, makes it a lot easier. Then we got a little thing later. We got. Okay, it's end one of those runs. One of those kind of things. So it also has a harmony with those 12s, second string, trill. The other guitar goes 11s. 11 and 14 there. So it ends up being in harmony. Then we got another. So that's about it for Black Betty by Ram Jam. Hope you dug that. Check out the tabs. Talk to y'all soon.